Well, think about what 4 years of a retribution presidency might look like. He could order the investigation and prosecution of individuals who he sees as enemies. I'm sure I'm on the enemies list. Because the president constitutionally does oversee the executive branch entirely, which includes the Department of Justice, prosecutors and investigators. And so he could commission, direct that individuals be pursued. Given the way he said he intends to operate if he's reelected, this will be something we could never have imagined. Again, it seems like science fiction in a way, but it's what another 4 years of Donald Trump really promises, which is why people criticize CNN for their town hall. I want the American people to stare at the threat that we're facing and understand that they cannot take the next election off.
The FBI met with Igor Denchenko for 3 years while he was a confidential human source for the FBI. They could have been asking all these questions. But as I've said from the beginning, the FBI is smart enough to know the questions they don't want answers to, because they didn't want their investigation to be shut down. And that's what they did. They Strzok, Page, Comey, all those people failed on purpose to set forth specific questions because they knew the answers would kill the Russiagate investigation, because they would have no credibility for their source verification process, and they would have no fundamental facts upon which to go to the FISA court. That was their end goal. They engineered a crime and worked in reverse. And then they went out there, as we'll talk about, and offered up bounties to people with information. It is a shocking abuse of the law and a total breakdown of the FISA application process before the FISC.